In this video, you'll learn how to accurately upload REGO documents to DEXT. Uploading correct documents is important to have complete records and compliance. Make sure to upload both sides of the REGO form. The back page includes key details like CTB fees and GST breakdown. This is a sample REGO document. Keep in mind the layouts and formats may vary depending on the source. Now let's go to the DEXT phone app. Open the DEXT app on your phone and tap on the camera icon to take the picture. Next, select Multiple to take photos continuously. As you capture each photo, you'll notice the app counting the number of pages. Be sure to capture all pages, including the back page. Once done, review each image to confirm the important details and that everything's clearly visible. If everything looks good, tap Submit All to complete the upload. Remember, uploading REGO documents correctly helps keep records accurate and compliant. Always include the back page. Use clear photos and good lighting. Double check everything before submitting. Avoid simple mistakes and you'll save time to prevent issues down the line. Thanks for watching. Need help? Just reach out, we're here for you.